In 2017, Princess Cruises hired me to shoot still images and videos on the Silk Road journey, a 49-day cruise from Rome to Shanghai. I brought along my buddy Yuri as an assistant and a music composer for the project. I tried daily vlogging at the time, but our days were already super packed and I had to edit and deliver content for the client as a priority. We shot with Michelin chefs, met an NBA player, and traveled to 15 countries. What I want to do now is take a look at the footage and share with you the process of what it is to shoot and produce content on a cruise ship, with its limitations and being in a bubble for 2 months. Day 27 and we are in Penang, Malaysia. I had already been to Penang a few years earlier on a Southeast Asia trip and I was super excited to be back because it's one of the best places for street food.
Alright, we're in one of my favorite places in the world, Penang, Malaysia.
I don't want to hit now. It's okay.
Is it durian?
Yeah, you want to try?
Yeah, we have to try durian in Malaysia, right? Durian is a smelly fruit. And like people love this in Malaysia and Singapore, so let's give it a shot.
It smells like food, no? You like it? Do you like dirty socks smell?
It's weird. It's like off mango.
And off what?
Off mango, like a mango that's off.
Ah, off.
Yuri did not like that. Okay. All right, let's go get some coffee instead.
You like it?
No. It's a bit difficult.
Once and the second time, you love it.
Okay, I'll try it again then. Thank you. Sure. Sure.
Merci. C'est un des trucs les plus dégueulasses que j'ai mangé.
C'est quoi, le durian? T'as pas aimé?
Ah, ce que j'ai pas aimé, j'ai failli gerber, ouais.
Ah, this is refreshing though.
Yeah.
All right, let's get out of here.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Alright, we're in Penang, quick Wi-Fi stop to transfer a bunch of footage back to the head office, and now we're heading to get some street food.
It was really, really hot out there.
It's getting a little hot here.
We were hurting a little bit.
Really clean city, not much shade. Still looking for our char kway teow place.
Yuri had not slept much the night before, busy working on music score for one of our videos, and the 90 degrees or 35 to 40 Celsius was not helping us.
Rough day. Rough day. Alright, we're going into Ping Hoi for some street food. Preparing it. So we got one of those, which is the prawn, the noodle soup, and one char kway teow, which is my ultimate favorite.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Thank you very much for your...
Okay,
see you again.
Very nice. Okay.
That was an awesome char kway teow. What did you think? Music is the best.
After eating this delicious food, we walked around and got some of the more traditional Penang shots, and it was a lot of walking and a lot of sweating. So obviously we still had to get some of our shots for the client, some of the traditional Penang shots. So we went around, saw the mosque, we saw some temples.
We're at Mugshot Cafe. Thank you for the coffee and air conditioning. It's noon, so the sun is at its hardest right now, so everywhere we go, we're just trying to do one spot, get some shots, and then take a break. Let's go to the next stop. Air conditioner is working hard. It's hot. Not cool, such a tease, can't even play. I guess this whole durian thing is kind of a problem here. Everywhere we go, you can't bring your durian with you. What's up with that? Alright, that museum is closed, so we're going to the camera museum.
Chance we had to get some air conditioning, we went for that.
After a quick meditation break at the temple, we're heading to the camera museum. This is a cool place. I remember being here last time, and it has air conditioning and good coffee. Break at the alley. Alright, we got the directions, got the coffee. Let's go check out some street art. Quick pit stop for some sugarcane juice. Reminds me of home. We found this beautiful little almost village on the waterfront, which I thought would be the perfect spot to take off from with my drone. I completely forgot the little micro SD memory card that goes into the drone, and for a second we thought, should we go back to the ship, get it, come back? But it was just too far to do the round trip, so we ended up not flying the drone. Completely my fault. But instead of that, we found this little shack, and this little grandma was making some awesome char kway teow. So for the second time of the day, we ate char kway teow, and it was delicious. It was delicious, and I don't regret not forgetting that memory card because I would not have tried that awesome noodle dish. So we had that, and that was it for us in Penang. We had to go back to the ship.
Alright, so I completely forgot all the memory cards for the drone, so I kind of failed on that today. So instead we just went to 7-Eleven and bought every single Diet Coke can that we could, and we're heading back to the bus. Thank you, Penang.
Enjoyed the street food and content from Penang, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. You'll know when the next video will be up. Also, I post a photo on Instagram every day, and I did during the trip as well. So I'd love to see you there as well. Follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned for more content. See you next time.